Okay, so you've started a business and you want to be found on the web, but where do you be found on the web first? That's a really good question. So in today's episode, I'm going to delve into the social media and the profile places that you want to look at for when you're starting to list your business online. So let's delve into it and get started. Okay, so where do we want to be found online for our business? Well, obviously we want to be found online everywhere. Well, no, maybe not everywhere. There are some sites that we don't want to be found on. But the first couple of places that we want to be found on is the social profiles. Now, we may not be active on all the social profiles straight away because you want to start getting that journey into place and working with the social profiles as you get to learn one of them. But you want to make sure that you've secured your social media real estate. You don't own anything in the world of the internet, but you want to make sure that you've got your Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, your business name profiles, your Google My Business account. And Google My Business is a very, very important one. Making sure that you've got that account so people can find you in their Google credibility because it helps with search. The opportunities for you to be able to be connected with in LinkedIn. Now, there are other platforms out there, TikTok's another one that I use and it works quite well for me, but not everyone wants to, but Instagram is a good platform as well. By owning or securing the handles that you've got for those areas, you're actually protecting your brand. Okay, so that's one of the reasons that we want to be able to do that. By doing that, we also then are able to share to those platforms. So we can connect tools like Reed-Enever and start to share social content out there on a regular basis. Your Google My Business account will connect with your YouTube account. So if you start to share video content, it's another really handy way. It'll start to give you details through your Google Search Console report and other details as well from that area. Facebook is a great one for engaging people through video, through chat, and through that know, like, and trust factor as they're scrolling along, talking with their friends. Instagram is a great one for being visual on, and it allows you to be able to share product images or behind the scene images or inspirational tips and tricks along the way that will connect with your audience. So another good platform to be on online. Then Instagram is playing in Reels at the moment, big time. They love a short form piece of content that is great. Now, when you're delving into this world of social media, please do not get stressed by, I don't have 1 million views. We want to get the views of the people that are going to engage with our product or service, not 100,000 views. So we don't need to stress about that area. TikTok's another great one to play on in short form, and YouTube, as I've mentioned, is one that I would be suggesting most business owners get and secure to show tutorials and how-throughs and work-throughs on how to use your business. Now, one that maybe you're not thinking of is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a great traffic generator. It's a great way to show your products in use, photos, idea pins, and do all of those sorts of things. So they are my main areas of where we should be found online from a social media point of view. The other places you want to be found online is obviously your website. So you want to use tools like Rank Math to help you optimize and make sure that you're getting the right keywords and be found in search. And bringing blogs in is another great way of being able to boost that content. And then finally, if there is industry directories for your business or local chamber of commerce directories, then I would go and make sure that your business is listed on them as long as it's affordable. So that people can find you in the places that they are going to be searching for you. So I hope these tips have helped you in the starting journey of being found online and getting your business found online. They are my favorite ways right now to do it, but there are millions of ways to be able to be found online. But right now, by getting yourself listed, by owning your social profiles and getting your own website out, you're well on the way to getting your journey and having your business found online.